Good afternoon, guys. So currently I'm here at a very early stages of the Lanit Tree Park. So as you can see right here, there is a sign. It says there around 9,850,000 in cost. So currently they are just filling up some soil. So this will be the future Lanit Tree Park. The information I got is this is around 3 hectares. So we'll get some design elements or information. This is actually inside a community here in Barangay Lanit. So we have here the sand and the gravel piling up over here. So I think they need to fill up some soil in the area before putting up all the trees and infrastructure. So we'll just use some of the photos that I got to show you the design elements.